Today I got for you the LG Thrill 4G. I'm going to show you how to unlock it. It's real simple. Very first thing you're going to want to do is boot up your phone. Once you got it booted up here, you're going to want to tap the phone application because you're going to get the IMEI of your phone. To get that, you just dial *#06#. Very simple. Get your 15-digit IMEI. And then the very next step is to go to unlockthatphone.com, which is right here. And when you go there, focus it in for you. We got the three drop-down menus. The first one is the carrier of your phone. In this case, it's AT&T, but all over the world, it comes from many different carriers. The next one is the manufacturer, which is LG, and the final one is the model. It's the Thrill 4G. It's also the 925. You're going to pop your IMEI into this box right here, hit unlock now, and then in the turnaround time stated on the site, you will get the code. And once you get that code, you'll see an email here. You will have the code as well as an unlocking video, this exact one actually, and you will head on over to your phone. Now, you are going to want to boot up the phone with a non-carrier locked SIM. So in this case, I would insert a SIM card that's not locked to AT&T. And when you do that, it will actually ask you for the code. And that is the simplest way to unlock it. However, I'm going to show you how to do it without a SIM card or with a SIM card after you just dismiss it. It's the best way to show you because this is how all LGs are done. This is the correct sequence of input that you're going to put. So with the T-Mobile SIM I actually have in the phone, I'm going to open the phone application and I'm going to dial 2945 # and then the model number, which is the 925, and then pound. And when done correctly, you get this list of all the locks on the phone. In the United States, AT&T only locks the network. In other countries, they may lock the service provider. We do provide that as well, so don't worry about it. So in this case, I got the network lock code, and then I tap it. And this is the same screen you get if you power up with a non-AT&T SIM for this phone. But like I said, I dismissed it to show you how to do it the long way, which is always the better way. So now I'm going to enter the code. It's a little bit long, so bear with me here. 5248 03869 03869, and then it is 8655, and then finally 474. I hit done, and I'm going to get here and focus in for you, and I'm going to tap unlock. It's going to say network requesting, and then unlock successful. So now we're good to go. The phone is completely unlocked. It's actually going to restart real quick and boot up, which is always good. You want to make sure the phone is restarted. It's nice and fresh for when you're going to use it on your new carrier. So if you guys are getting this phone, this is a fantastic phone. I mean, the screen is it's massive. I have pretty big hands, and it's very, very cool. So you'll really enjoy using this on your carrier. So just give it another second here. It's going to power up, and you'll see here that we'll be rocking, in this case, T-Mobile. Obviously, depending on where you're from, you'll be on different carriers. So just give it another second here. It's almost done loading. And then once it does boot up, you got to give it a second. Usually it picks it up the network. It does take a second though because it's got a register on it. So I got my T-Mobile SIM in. I'm gonna slide the screen here so you can. There we go. Slide the screen. And like I said, just give it a second. It's gonna do its checks. It scans the media file, everything like that. So and I'm pretty sure that when it makes that sound, it's an indication of a text message or a voicemail. So it is reading my network. Let's just give it a second to pick it up, and I'll show you it is running on T-Mobile USA. So, yep, it's got the T-Mobile voicemail. So just give it another second here. These usually do take just a second to pick up. So it will do it though, promise you. Let's see here, maybe I'm gonna flash on over to. Oh nope, there we go. Yeah, it just took a second, guys. T-Mobile, you got the bars right there, and you can see in the top of the screen it says T-Mobile. I'll even slide this down for you. T-Mobile on the AT&T Thrill 4G. Quick review, guys. Make it real quick for you. Open the phone application, *#06#, get the IMEI, and then you're going to go to unlockthatphone.com. Enter the phone's information in. We'll get you the code and the time specified on the site. pop in the new SIM, it'll ask you for the code, or you can do it the long way, which is 2945 #925. That's the model number. Pound, enter the code for the respective choice there. In this case, it was the network code, and then it's unlocked. It'll reboot, and you're good to go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.